Do you think you've got a chance to sort this out today?
No. Feels like there's no chance to get this sorted. It'll be a shame because, yeah, the judges won't be able to see how hard we've worked to try and get this together. They'll just come in and say, oh, you know, these guys can't time manage or something, you know. So that's pretty hard.
Just when you think it's going smooth, eh?
Yeah.
You all right?
Yeah.
He's really down in the dumps now, he's low. So Keith and I were just going to try and pick him up, help him to get over the line so he can deliver a compliant room. Well, let's do it, eh?
Yep. It's not your fault, mate. Be like if I was flying a plane. I think I'd make a few mistakes.
Is it a bit hard to see?
Yeah.
Next thing I know, Dan and Keith, they're up on ladders just, you know, Tarzaning through the ceiling and punching and ripping and... Well, it was fun for them. It was kind of hard to watch, though. But it was very hard to watch.
I'm going to pull an all-nighter again. I don't know if I can do it, but I'm gonna work till 9 a.m. and hopefully present a room. There's not much more I can do. If it's a partially completed room, obviously that's going to be awful, but as long as the judges know we tried. Yeah.
Do what it takes.